in our piecewise function here, I have two pieces here. And in my two pieces, I'm going to rearrange the first one. It says 4 minus x, and you can rewrite that as negative x plus 4. Raise your hand if you did that. We do that in that order because now it's in slope-intercept form. So to review quickly, your slope is a negative 1 over 1, so you can read your slope as negative 1 over 1 or 1 over negative 1. Because either of these will have a negative expressions. That means this will be going down 1, right 1. Or you can also do up 1, left 1. I'm going to use a pencil so I can, if I make mistakes, I can erase it. This one basically says start at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a negative slope, so think about it. On your roller coaster from going from left to right, it's going to be going down. That's what it means to have a negative slope. I'm going to go down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. If you went the other direction, up 1, left 1. And notice how it still falls on that line. So let's graph this. Here my boundary is at x equals 0. Where x equals 0, that's actually on the line, the y-axis itself. So this is my boundary. This is my visual. This is not an asymptote. I need numbers that are bigger than 0. Put your finger on the side of the yellow line. Which side? We're keeping this side, right? That's bigger than. This is less than, so I'm going to erase this part. Again, I'm erasing this part because these are the less thans. I need the greater than. Pick your favorite color. Class open or closed? How do you know it's open? Because there's no equal sign. Remember, I'm making the open or closed circle at the boundary, not the y-axis. And then you can always erase it a little bit more to make it cleaner. On your next quiz or test, I should see erasing marks. That actually kind of tells me if you know how to graph a line or not. Let's do the second part. This one says negative 2x minus 2. So how do I make negative 2 a fraction, class? Over 1. In words, what does a negative 2 mean? Someone said go down. How many? 2. And what's your run? What does that mean? Right, because it's positive. So I'm going to go to negative 2 is my starting point. If you don't understand that, you can just make x equals 0, and there's your y-intercept. This one's also going to have a negative slope, something like this, down to right 1. Down to right 1. Remember, you can always go in the opposite direction. Positive 2 over negative 1. Up to left 1. Up to left 1. This is what my graph should look like. I need values that are x is less than 1. Point to the side that we're going to keep. The left side we're going to keep because these are the values where x is less than 0. This part I'm going to erase. Open or close circle? Open circle. go ahead and erase. So, here in our graph we have a piecewise function. Notice your two parts here, where there are greater than 0 and less than 0.